Okay, so I just spent the past 20-30 minutes on the phone, and I wound up splicing it. I got my electrical tape, my variable diameter cutter, cutting a knife, and I spliced an old cable from like 1940 or 50 or 60 into a different cable that goes all the way to my bedroom. And what do we have, Tatiana?
We have actually a working phone.
A working phone. All right, so let's make the first call on the ancient working phone. What do you say? We call my mom?
Yes, I'm not sure if my finger is so exercised for that kind of phone. All right.
So we want to do 1
Okay.
718 979 67 90. Will it work? So we'll see. Can we hear it?
Hello, Rosemary. Hello. This is Tatiana.
It works.
Good. How about yourself? Well, guess what? We have a house phone now. It's pretty vintage, but it's calling, and you're the first person we're trying it on.